Regarding Gachagua, we don't like that bravado. When you are a leader, you have to be more responsible than what we are seeing from our deputy president. Because you are making the temperatures to be heightened. You are increasing the tension instead of reducing the tension. So let him call to order our deputy president regarding Gachagua. This idea of calling people, you have no shareholders, others have shareholders, we don't like that. All of us are Kenyans, we all pay taxes, we all expect services from the government, and anywhere in the world, the government must take care of the poor. Even if you go to America, they take care of the poor. So if the leader of opposition, my party leader Raila Odinga, is asking the government to address the high cost of living, he has a right to do so. And we must care about the poor. We cannot only care about the rich. You have had teachers here complaining examiners have never been paid. But we have managed to employ 50 cabinet administrative secretaries, but we can't pay examiners. It's not right. We must tell the government that is having our priorities upside down. Kama mshahara itapatikana ya kulipa kazi 50 of them, mbona walimu, poor teachers, hawajalipwa for almost now it's going to be 1 year. That is not right. Aseiga antowa minto.
Igoncholire na aba West Mugirango kura. Naende West Mugirango ntuli gochora ntuli gochaya. Oyo gwakirito yota gwakirito noyo. Lakini ya sense ya Kenya twarolire abantu bakoba profile bagote bungo talenge na into talenge na into. Eluga toigwete ngano serikali na share serikali nja nakoba share, and I just want to plead with my deputy president. Serikali ya Kenya telie ya shareholding kiro muntu nabwato bosibole bwe katiba waki kura bunatagite onye tingo akireti nayo murayona tubwatie choice goikondae na nje timbwatie choice goikanye ngoigwere. So ancha to include kiro muntu ase serikali na kubwa mono bono bunatwa teneneranire igonkobolio mo president yone akore bunantu twakora abachumba tucholere ajubili tutamubwatsetie twachire twamotebiri gokoreto muswado muyabungo gokonyense gukubwatsi story nere tigakorebo nona abantu bandi bali aroche nga mbalenge yamo bamwakirete tali yacha tunakuiranirania chinga kichiro especially ekeroli ligo liryo komenya lyabeire bunalire angabono igotokuna kugamba kuruma mpaka morogoba, because there is nobody with a monopoly of knowledge or ideas. Yeah, muntu ndi nabara gotebe kendo kagetenga neba limare anine rogo konya ga kitiga tuanje totegererane tiganya saba sisi a manner that they will fit in universally in the globe. I also want to celebrate my Jubilee fellow members of parliament for agreeing with me that we should engage government as a parliamentary group, and we engage the president and support the programs of the government which are positive and are going to impact positively on our country. And it is on that note I want to plead with every elected leader. The first responsibility of any leader is to listen. If we get to a situation where we are not listening to each other, then we are courting trouble, we are courting death. And I want to plead that negotiation between leaders is not a choice. It is a requirement, because our country is bigger than anybody, and we have been elected to lead because we are capable of providing solutions. And solutions can only be obtained through engagement, through negotiation. I, Stephen Mogaka, MP for West Mugirango, have led by example by engaging and including those who did not vote me in as part of my government in the constituency. We do not want to have a country where anybody is victimized because of their exercise of their freedom of choice. We may not like the elected leaders, but they are the elected leaders. And our duty as elected leaders from the presidency to MCA is to listen We may not agree with everything we hear, but we have a duty to listen. And I want to urge the government and the government zealots to tone down the thumb chesting that there is nothing to discuss about. There are very many things in this country to discuss about. And I want to implore the president of the day, that we do not want him to be coerced to concede anything. But as a nation, we expect of him to listen. He has to listen to all citizens, those who agree with him and those who do not. Because it is through listening that we can chart out a course for Kenya. Nara yingote banga njesibiru mogako mochumbo wesi